In today's video, we're going to take a look at TWLO, and I can tell you that the daily chart doesn't look awesome at this point. You have a larger bearish pattern, and you still have price below the 200 and below the 50. And okay, I guess the only thing on the side of the bulls is the 513. But if you do look at a lower time frame chart and you trade this lower time frame, I can absolutely make a plan or a setup for the buy side. And what I'm going to do is take 100% of these prior declines and run the retracements and see if we come up with a cluster. So here we're taking this prior high to low, projecting from the high, the lower high to the low, projecting from the high. Here's another swing here. I can actually add this smaller swing. And then this high to this low. All right, so we have some nice symmetry there. What about retracements? So I'm going to look at retracements of these prior swings. I want to see if I can find something that will overlap the symmetry. And actually, you're seeing it now. We have a 618 retracement that overlaps this general area. So let's look at it this way. This is still going to be a bullish pattern as long as we hold above this prior swing low. Okay, so I want to look at this support that comes in a little bit underneath for potential new buy entries. But what you have to do is, if it does pull back, for example, to any of these areas, is you go down to a lower time frame chart and you wait for a trigger to tell you to get in, and then you can define your risk either under the low that's made prior to your trigger, or underneath the low end of the zone, so the lowest zone that would be underneath 109.57. But I definitely would like to see a pullback to this general area for a possible new buy entry.